how to repair the client in League of Legends. So this is a pretty simple fix. All you need to do is right click the right client, click run as administrator. Or if you don't want to do that, you can just go to properties, go to compatibility, and make sure that run this program as an administrator is checked, and also run this program for Windows 8, and then click apply. Now if it doesn't want to open because it's technically running and you don't see it anywhere, you just have to forcefully close it through the task manager and then reopen it back again. So you do that by pressing CTRL, Shift and ESC at the same time and finding right client here. Of course, I don't have it open, but yeah, if you just find, let's say that Discord is right client, I'm just gonna press it and click end task. And there you go. That's how to repair your client in League of Legends. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.